Exporting bills from QuickBooks Online can take time, especially when you need to review vendor bills, track unpaid bills, check due dates, prepare accounts payable reports, or support audit and reconciliation work. Instead of exporting a basic report with limited control, SaasAnt Transactions lets you export bill data in bulk with advanced filtering options. Select the records you need, choose a saved or custom template, review the results, and download the data in Excel or CSV format. In this video, I'll show you how to export bills from QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt Transactions. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. Now, log in to SaasAnt Transactions. Go to Export Data and click Let's Export. I'm selecting the transaction type as Bills. Next, choose the date type as Search by Transaction Date. Now choose the date range for the bills you want to export. Select the saved template you want to use. For this example, I'm choosing Simple Mapping. You can also click Add New Template to create a custom template with your desired fields. If needed, you can use the advanced options to filter by due date, total amount, balance range, starting record, status, vendor, bill number, or detailed report multi-lines. Once the filters are set, click Search. SaasAnt will now fetch the matching bill records from QuickBooks Online. Review the records in the grid. You can check key details like bill number, vendor, accounts payable account, bill date, due date, terms, and other fields. Select the records you want to export. Now choose the download format. You can export the data as a CSV file or Excel file. Click Download. SaasAnt will download the selected bill data from QuickBooks Online. That's how you can export bills from QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt Transactions.